Hey guys, and welcome back to my video. It's your girl RuDynasty and I'm back again with another video. So today, I'm going to breathe. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to style and I'm going to install this reddish brown wig sent to me by SUNBERHAIR. I'm just showing you the method right now. I did my bold cap method already off camera and now I'm just going to do my glue method, and I'm just going to put one layer of glue first and I'm going to build it up. I normally do 2 to 3 layers. But yeah, let's just get into this video. So I went ahead and I did the second and third layer off camera, and now I'm just going to show you how the reddish brown hair looks on me. It's not installed yet, it's just on my head. I'm just fitting it, making sure the ear tabs are where they're supposed to be and the measurements are where they are. Then I'm going to stick it fully on my head and part the lace. One thing I'm going to say about this lace, you can't even see it. Literally, it matches my skin to a T. I love it. And I really love this color on me, like on my natural skin, if that makes sense. It just suits me. I just love it. But yeah, as you can see, I'm parting it into a side part because that's what I like. I do like a bust down side part with either baby hairs or no baby hairs. But I don't know what I want to do. I might do a no baby hair look and then later on change it if I want to. But I plan to keep this hair on for like a week and a half. So there's different styles you can always do with this kind of hair, and it's good as well because it's body wave. You can keep it in its natural curl form, or you can curl it, straighten it, crimp it, anything you like. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the ear tabs off just to secure the wig more. I like to do this way because I can see it better and I can see where exactly I need to cut, if that makes sense. But yeah, and once I cut that off, I'm going to then glue the lace to my head, to my forehead, and I'm gonna make sure that's nice and secure, and I'm gonna put a band to secure that even more. But yeah, just watch, learn, react, comment, whatever you want to do, to be honest. But yeah, stay tuned. Guys, I almost forgot about this part, but I went ahead and I plucked the lace again. It does come pre-plucked, but for my hairline, I just like to go in for a little bit more because that's just me. I do that for my clients as well if they request it. But yeah, I like to pluck it again just to make sure the hairline fits my head, if that makes sense, my hairline. But yeah, I plucked this side and I plucked the other side off camera. But yeah, now I'm just brushing out the hair. As you can see, the curls are still curling, it's still giving, even though it's a bit messy at the moment. But yeah, you see. So yeah, if we're going to talk about shedding as well, let's not forget that. The hair itself didn't shed as much. The only thing that really, like, the hair came out was when I plucked it. That's really it. But that's normal. That always happens when you pluck hair, or the flyaways in the hair that you've plucked comes out. But yeah, other than that, when I brushed it, like I brushed it maybe 3 or 4 times in that week, just to, I would say, liven the curls, because the curls went from bouncy to kind of wavy and then like a loose wave, if that makes sense. But yeah, because it's naturally curly, it retains curls even more. But yeah, so the shedding was not that bad. It's not bad at all. It was average. It was a good amount. So I went ahead and I cut the front part of my lace. I like to do that with all my wigs, with my clients' wigs. Just gives me an understanding on what I'm doing, if that makes sense. But yeah, I like to cut the area because that's where I want to see the most. And a lot of times, lace always gets in my face. So I like to cut that off, and then I glued that down, and I'm using my rat tail comb just to press that in even more, making sure that lace is completely melted. And if there's any like a lace that's lifting, I like to go ahead with more glue just to tack that area. Just to speed up the process, I went ahead and did this side off camera. I'm just showing you now that I'm just gluing the little tiny bits that the lace is not gluing to, if that makes sense. So I'm adding a little bit of glue in that area and just tacking it. And this is my right side, I believe. And then I'm going to go ahead to my left side and do the exact same thing. And one thing I love about wigs, it always gives you a brow lift, always. So yeah, as the glue is melting, you can already see that this is looking like scalpiana. It's looking like my actual hair. Like, you can't even see the lace. That's how well it's matched to my skin. And that's what I like about this company and this hair as well. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing this install. I went ahead and repeat the same thing I did on the other side to the left side, and then I cut the lace and put a band, and I curled the hair with a cute one curl, and I believe I used the medium size one curl. And now I also pinned the front because that's the area I want it to stay fully. And once that is dry, I'm gonna take it out. As you can see right now, I also use Got To Be spray if you guys didn't catch that. And this is how it looks. Look at it. It's givings. It's really givings, and I love it. I love it. And this is a no baby hairs. I'll also show you how I did it with baby hairs, but this is actually the finished result. And yeah, I'll show you how the baby hairs look like in a minute. This is the no baby hair with brushed curls, and I did a different type of curls with baby hairs and makeup, as you're going to see right now. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll link the company's information down below in my description box. And yeah, I really love this hair. I look cute, period. And bye.